Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 347 stroker engine, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the loop clamps going up, gas filter installed, oil pressure extension installed, brass freeze plugs, painted the black for the customer. We have the front sump oil pan on there, correct oil pan for the 69 Mustang, aluminum cylinder heads on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, distributor set in place, the red spark plug wires with all the wire markers on there, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket installed, Cobra air cleaner, proper flywheel, American made Ford Racing flywheel, billet steel for the customer's transmission, correct balance and tooth count, pellet bearings installed, PCV valve, ventilation line hooked up, chrome fuel line, proper thermostat housing on there and thermostat installed. Customer is getting the alternator only pulley kit that will be coming in the next few days. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Everything will be completely dialed in. Timing is set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.